In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a skincare Shopify website. We'll move from logging in, choosing a theme that suits a clean, modern brand, adding your first products, and organizing them into collections so your storefront looks polished and easy to shop. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. On the homepage, select Login. Use the method you prefer, your email or one of the available sign-in options, and you'll land in your Shopify admin. Keep this tab open. It's your control center for everything you're about to do. Open a new tab and go to themesshopify.com. This is the theme store. Browse free themes or consider a premium design if you need extra features or more specialized styling. For a minimalist, product-focused look that works beautifully for skincare, check out Dawn or try Sense for warmer visuals and storytelling elements. Use the demo preview to see how product pages, navigation, and mobile layouts feel. If it isn't clear on a phone preview, it won't feel clear to shoppers either. So take a moment to test that. Head back to your Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, choose Products, then select Add Product. Give each item a clear, searchable product name. In the description, go beyond marketing lines, explain what the product does, the skin types it's best for, key ingredients, how to use it, and any care or storage notes. Clarity builds trust, especially in skincare where customers want guidance and transparency before they buy. Set the price so it reflects your costs and brand positioning. Upload high-quality images on a neutral background and include a close-up of texture or a lifestyle shot where appropriate. Consistent lighting and accurate color are essential. Customers want to know exactly what they're putting on their skin, and crisp images can make the difference between browsing and buying. Next, in the left panel, open Collections and select Add Collection. Create the groups that make shopping intuitive, such as cleansers, serums, moisturizers, sunscreen, or gifting sets. Give each collection a short description to guide browsing, then click Save. Collections help customers find what they need fast and let you build curated sections on your homepage that match how people naturally shop for skincare. That's your foundation. You've logged in, explored themes, added products with informative descriptions and strong imagery, and created collections to organize your catalog. From here, you can apply your theme, customize your homepage sections, and continue adding products as your line grows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.